Hello, welcome to this video. In this video I'm going to show you how you can invite other people to pin onto a collaborative board, and also see if you are invited to collaborate yourself, what you would have to do and where you would find that. So if you come over to your Pinterest account and again click on Pinterest here, and I've noticed here that we have a group board invitation, and this is where it would be here, a group board invitation, and you can either decline or accept, and you can actually go and have a little look and see what which board it is, so that it's going to be relevant to your audience as well. And this one actually is to pin to top blog, so I'm really thrilled to do that. So I'm going to click to accept that group the group collaboration board. So if now I've accepted, if we come over to your boards and you'll refresh, you can see here that this is now onto your boards, onto your Pinterest account, and we can see here that if we click onto it, there's 13,000 pins have been pinned to this board. So it's a fantastic opportunity for you to be able to pin to that board, and it will go out and it will be all the different people that have actually are associated with that board. They will be seeing your pin as well. And of course it works exactly the same way, because we will be just using this board to pin our image to. So let's go ahead and do that one, shall we? So what we're going to do is we're going to upload a pin. Here we are, and we'll upload a pin again. We'll have one from our nice holiday one, shall we? That's it. Have it for good thing I've kept them now. There we are. Let's have one from here. Add that pin to it. There we go. I'm going to put, now you see when we click here, we have the option to pin to that top blogs, the Pinterest viral board. So again, here we can say you can put in your description of what you want to have. This is my fun life, and again you can put the hashtags in. There we are, put the hashtags in, and you can pin it. There we go. Again, we can go and see it. So let's refresh the board first. And we can see our board. And you can see down here, this is where it's got these little, like the little symbols of little people. You can see that it's a collaborative board. So, that means that, your pins are going to be seen by all of those people there. So if we come over here now, and we can see this, what we want to do again is to edit it so that we can put in the URL that we want it to go to. In this case, and we're going to click Save Changes. So it just means that we're now being able to reach a bit much wider audience than we have ourselves, because we've been asked to contribute and collaborate with a board here. So as I said, if this is going out to lots of different people now that I don't know. Oh, there we are. Now see, that's got a suspicious link on that, so let's have a look there. I've put the link there on that one. Let's have a look here. I put the wrong link on that one. You see, and that's important, because you can see exactly what happens if you don't put exactly the right link on there. Let me just pause this for a second and I'll get the correct link. There we are. So we left you where we were just going to click on to edit it. We were going to put in the actual URL. As I said, if it's not the URL that is associated with your account, or it's not the right URL, they will say it's a suspicious link. So let's have a look. There you are. It's just whirling. Is it going to take it through? Come along. There we are. That's taking it through, yes. There we are. So it's taking it through. So as I said, you know, it's always really important to follow everything through. So when you upload a pin, make sure that you follow it through to make sure that you click through so that you know exactly where everything's going. And if there's a broken link or if there's a link that's not working, you can fix it right away rather than sending it out and then when people click on it, it goes to the wrong place or it's got a suspicious link. Just follow through all of the steps so that you know you're quite happy and sure that, you know, everything's working exactly as it should have done. So, you know, having a collaborative board is really, really important. Also, if you want to set up a collaborative board yourself, you can do that by clicking up here to create a board. And we're going to create a board, board 3, say. There we are, and a description 3. There we are, and we're going to save the changes for that one. There we are. Now what you can do then is you can go into your settings, and in here, let me think. No, hang on a second. It's changed from where it was. Let me just take you back then. You see, I did say things don't change too much on Pinterest, but they do. You know, sometimes you're doing things and they've changed where they actually, you know, locate them. So let's take one of these then, and we can click on it. Click on your board, and what we need to do is edit the board. Click on edit the board, and this is where you could change the name of it, you could change the description, you could change the category, but also this is where you can say who can pin on it. So what you need to do here is you need to start to type somebody's you know, somebody's email or somebody, but it has to be somebody that you're already following. So let's go ahead and see who we're following here. I don't know who we've got here. Let's have a look. Let's try this person here. So we've actually added those in, and you can invite them, and that will send an email to them to start to collaborate onto your board. I'll just remove that because obviously I don't want to send that to them, but that's how you do it. So we'll just recap on that again then. Save the changes. So you'll come up to your boards, the one that you want to have a collaboration with. You click on the board, you edit the board, and then you start to type in there the name or email of somebody that you're already following that you would like them to contribute to the board. So if you just start to type there, let's have a look here. As you start to type, somebody will come up there. You can click to invite them. An invite will go over to them just like it did onto my board, and they can choose whether to collaborate with you or not. It's very simple to do when you know exactly where it is on Pinterest to find it. So I hope that's been interesting for you. As I said, you know, there are changes coming all the time on all of the social media platforms. Pinterest doesn't seem to be changing too fast and too much, but like everything, you know, they keep you on your toes. You have to you know, find out where they've located and relocated things to. So I hope you found that useful, and I'll speak to you in the next video. Bye for now.